I'm helping my brother to like open this Angry Birds Teleports Transformers, and we're gonna open it. Okay, or you start. Oh, on the side. So there's a tape on the side.
Right. Vehicle.
And then pull it out.
Whoa.
It's this. And there's trusty ties done.
Emma.
I know. Oh, there's stickers. Okay.
Tristy.
I just These trusty ties are super hard to open.
Emma, it is a toy. Oh, okay. Yeah, cut.
Okay.
There's a
Oh,
hole.
I know. Okay.
That was loud.
Okay, and gently take the stickers out. Okay. Oh, okay. Whoa! Look, as you see, I think you can move.
Oh.
Yeah, like these. I don't know really, but you can.
Oh yeah, this is.
Yeah, if you
core
press
sticker.
down. This one seems to not be working, but if you press down on this one, it can move. Which is really cool. So, like, when the car comes through, it, like, moves, like,
Yeah.
yeah. So,
Ow.
oh. Oh, my God.
Oh.
We're going to have a lot of trash. Ah,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. Oh, launcher,
Launcher.
and another launcher.
Launcher.
Ah,
Oh, this is
a waste track. Two sides.
Emma, help Aiden open
Okay.
it.
Oh,
Oh, this is that. Teleport.
so hard to cut plastic. Okay. And then,
Piggy spaceship. Yeah.
here's a waste truck. Ah, okay. No, one more. One more. Okay, so here's a big waste truck. Or maybe something like that.
Oh, that's a chance where you place this.
I think.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, now we need one flag. Okay. Now I need a sticker.
Okay. One more. Oh,
Yeah. Now we need these two stickers.
and at last, the figures.
Hee hee hee. Why is so tiny?
Okay.
Why is so tiny?
Oh, wait.
Why is so tiny?
Okay, and can I do the stickers?
Huh? No, just do that thing.
You might place some. Hey, I got out the figures.
Yay, sticky.
No! Look how much.
Oh my god.
You know what? I'm just gonna.
Okay.
The sticker's on the other side.
Yeah. And how to stand it up? Oh, those like nail
Oh my
thingies.
gosh.
Those
Come
like
on,
nail
come on.
thingies. On the
Gosh.
rubber.
Get me out. Get me out. Oh my gosh. Look, see? It can like change into a car. I still don't know how, but it can change into a car.
Yeah, we used to have a robot like that.
Is it like this?
We can figure out later.
Oh, find it. No, no, no. It won't let me.
Piggy.
Again. Car.
Piggy.
It's popping.
Piggy.
Oh wow, he's so cute. Look at this little cute piggy on the spaceship.
Piggy.
Okay.
Yeah.
For whiteboard.
Yeah. Tiny vehicle.
Kind of.
Tiny vehicle.
I do.
Yeah. Do the hockey wins. Yeah. I need to sit down.
Okay.
Circle.
So this one's the same. Oh my gosh, it keeps popping up. So it's supposed to be like this.
Green
Like he's on the
monster.
waistcoat.
Oh my gosh, I cannot fit.
Okay. Last but not least, the teleport. It looks kind of like a trophy.
Yeah, it looks kind of like a trophy.
Can I just pull it out? No, I can't.
Oh, so that's how you do it.
Oh.
So that's how you do it. Where?
Okay, Ayan,
Emma.
let's go on the floor and make the waist track, okay?
Okay.
Get the stickers.
Hmm? Oh, okay.
It looks like some of it goes on here.
And you
Let's just go to the waist track. Oh my gosh.
no.
I think it goes like.
No, read the instruction.
Okay.
Emma.
Oh wow. Oh, that's how it goes.
No, Emma, you need to find the two ones.
Okay. Okay, and this is probably. Yeah. Okay, set it right here, like this, and then let's connect the waist track.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I cannot get mine in. It's really hard to connect it. I think I got it. Okay, don't worry. And then one more part of the waist track. No, it's here.
Here go.
It connects. Okay, that was easy.
Okay.
And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. No, and the piggy goes on the green one. Okay, I finally got into car.
Oh.
Okay, it's not gonna walk well. I mean, the launcher's just flinged it.
Oh!
Oh! Okay, now that time was perfect. Ready, set, zero.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Piggy.
No, wait. I think Piggy. goes on here or something. Yeah, it has a little hole. I don't know. He's just gonna watch the game.
Piggy. Piggy. Piggy are there.
You really like the piggy.
Yes. Piggy.
Yeah! Except, oh, wait. Let's do it at, no. No, Asian! No! See? There's 2 walls to connect to one, so only one car can fit in there. So, that's the car who wins.
Who wins?
I don't know.
Weber, maybe Weber wins because he goes out of control.
Okay. Let's see the instructions.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, this is gonna help so much. 19. Okay. Oh, 19 goes here. So hard to. Yeah. Okay. Now 20. 20 goes on the other side.
Okay, that was the problem. We did the suction.
Okay.
Stay in your place.
I need one of these launchers. I can't. Okay, no, I'm just gonna do it.
Okay,
4.
Let
What's 4? Oh. I think it goes like. No. Well, it says. It says here that it's supposed to go like this. Oh, so like one blocks. Okay, so I'm gonna block with it. It's so easy to fall. Okay, the sticker sheet is so hard. 1. Where is 1?
1 or 1.
Oh, here's 1. Okay.
Now, me if you can.
Oh, come on, Weber. Oh,
But you didn't knock me, so ha.
he looks so weird in Weber from just saying.
Me.
Like his feet and look.
Hey, look! Hey, look! We are buddies! Woo!
Hey, I'm supposed to be buddies with the pigs.
Well, he gives me long. He is a better buddy for Angry Birds. Woo! Oh,
I cannot. No.
yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's cool.
Press. No. Okay, Aiden.
Ready?
Weber and Piggy got into a fight. So they decided to have a race. Okay. And whoever wins gets the trophy.
And Peggy.
So the trophy's like here.
And Peggy, best friend.
Okay. Ready, set, go! Oh! They win!
Trophy.
Yeah!
Peggy, best
One more
friend.
time, see if it's always that side win.
Okay. Well, it shouldn't be always this side.
Wait, Emma.
You know what you're doing.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh!
Huh?
The Weber won.
Wow, both got a fool.
Oh. Okay. So is it?
Aiden, you and Emma do at the same time.
Okay.
I don't know once Emma's gonna start.
Well, just to say 1, 2, 3, go.
Well, what if I stick to all?
No, you just 1,
1, 2,
2.
3.
Huh?
That's what happens when you get a race and there's only one road.
I didn't know.
I know. Okay.
I tried to do it.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh wow, he turned into robot form. I like his tiny arms, like wee wee wee. Bye bye. See ya next time.
This side. Or this
No, no.
side?
Here. Sometimes you have to. See? Then it goes like
Character lock.
and it's this character. So yeah. And then you can
This is the
play.
one that we took apart, I think.
Webber's the first one, so you don't have to unlock it.
Yeah.
I guess it'll be different.
Oh, look! This is the one that we took apart.
The piggy kills the other piggy.
Yeah, of course. Tough one!
Just kidding.
Ha! This is really powerful.
Piggy spaceship going over the iPad. Ow! Again, piggy spaceship die, you know why? No, wait. Like this.
I hate you. Oh, I forgot about this. A bridge. Hey. You going there? You're gonna destroy me.
Mommy, why you have to get him?
Good job, your fat nose.
Mommy. Okay.
Oh.
He is going to raise his arm. Never mind. Okay. See, he raised his arm.
Oh my gosh. Emma.